Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Timisha, Mrs. Coda, and here is raw footage of me working with a client inside their home. I hope you enjoy. Take care. You're going to use a reacher to pick up the keys from the floor so you don't have to bend. And bring it to your hand. And the cool thing is that it's magnetic, so you don't have to worry about it falling. Now let's say if that happens again, and the arthritis in the hand is acting up and it hurts a lot. So you can just use the magnetic portion of the reacher to bring it up to your hand. So this is, when do you take this one?
Early in the morning.
And when do you take this one?
With supper.
With supper?
Yes.
Okay, so can you open up these ones?
These is the everyday ones.
Okay, can you open them up and tell me what's inside of them? Okay. All right. So which one is this yellow? The yellow one.
This is the fish oil, which is a vitamin.
Okay. And what else is inside?
You want.
So you take the fish oil every day?
Yes.
Okay. And what else is inside? You can just go through what's in here. Well,
it
looks like you have them all the same. So you can just tell me what's in this one.
This one is the clopidogrel.
Mm-hmm.
And this is for the gas.
Okay.
This is you don't have to remember the name, but do you remember what it's for? But this here is for my heart and the breathing.
Okay. Okay. You have one more in there. What is that one for?
This here is for my
cholesterol?
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure?
Yes.
Okay. All right, you can go ahead and put them back in.
Every week we like to remind you that we're here for you. If you need
Okay, and you can go ahead and close them.
or send us your request by visiting